Hello, and welcome to the official CapCut Start Editing course. In this lesson, we'll look at how to make a rough cut of our video with all the content in the right order. We hope that this will help you turn a rough selection of clips into a logically coherent video. So let's look at the steps for making a rough cut. The first step is to cut the parts of the clips that we don't need, keeping only the most effective bits. The next step is to stabilize the videos and change video speed if we need to. We covered how to do that in lesson 2. The last step is to order the clips. We can order them by time, space, or narrative logic. Let's get to work. Select the first clip. Suppose we don't want any of the clip after 6.4 seconds. Well, we can move the tall white bar to where we want to trim the video. In the toolbar at the bottom, tap Split. The video will be split in two. Select the part you want to delete, then tap the Delete button again at the bottom. If you deleted too much by mistake, you can tap and move the white bookends to restore the part you just deleted. We can also move the white bookends directly to select the part we want to keep. You can follow the same process for all the other clips. Now that that's done, next, we'll discuss how to order the clips in a way that is most suitable for the video. First, let's look at conventional ordering choices. Ordering the video by time, space, or narrative logic. Ordering by time means arranging the clips chronologically in the order the events happen. For example, if you are editing a video showing your morning routine, the first scene would show you getting up, then doing your skincare, putting on makeup, and getting dressed. The last scene would show you enjoying a leisurely breakfast. This order would be the most logical. Ordering by space means arranging the clips by their spatial properties. For example, if our video is about a product, we could start by showing the whole product, and then we could focus in on the details. Of course, we don't always need to go from big to small. We could also go from small to big. For example, a cake video could show the small details first, and then show the entire cake. This would be a small to big spatial order. Finally, we can order clips by narrative logic, focusing on the relationship between the events. For example, a cooking video could start with the final product before going on to show how it's made. This is a type of reverse chronology. You can also arrange your clips according to your own logic. Ordering your clips is easy. Just tap and hold a clip to move it and put the clips in the order you want. And that's your rough cut done. In the next lesson, we'll continue by learning how to add and work with audio. See you then!